Welcome back to my channel. I know it's been so long since I have made a video. I know I'm just like kicking myself for it because I've missed it so much, believe it or not. So today we are gonna do how to apply false lashes. It's gonna be super quick, just so you know like the gist of how to do it, because it can be, I mean, if you don't know, you don't know. It's like so confusing. So we are gonna do that today. And like and subscribe if you like this, and let's get into the video. Okay, so today we are going to do eyelashes and how to apply them. They can be really difficult. It's not hard, it's just difficult to get them the way you want them. So for me, what works, I'm just showing you what works best for me. I've been doing this for, gosh, I've been wearing them for like 5 years already. Yikes. But, okay. So first I just start off with mascara, and I just apply like a thin layer to my eyelashes. Okay, so I just use Ardell Wispies. They're just like, come on. They're just like this, super, I don't know, original, I guess. They're not crazy, they're not noticeable. And then the glue I use is Duo Glue. I just find this one works best for me and it's super convenient. So I'll just barely press so I get like that much on, and then glide it on my eyelash. And you don't want to put too thick of a coat on, because then it just takes forever to dry. So I'll get that much, and then I'll just wait for it to dry. Okay, so once the glue looks kind of sparse, if you know what I mean, like it's halfway drying, then you know you can put them on, so the glue is tacky enough. So I take each corner of my eyelash, hold it like this, and then I like squint my eye and pull it straight, and then match it up right next to my eyelash line. And I do it with my eye open so I can see where I'm putting it. And then I take my fingers and I literally just press down the corners. I know a lot of people put eyelashes on with tweezers, but that's just more difficult to me. I don't know why. And then if they're lifting up because the glue wasn't tacky enough, you can just like press down in the areas where the glue or where the eyelash is lifting up. So it's really not a hard concept, really not, but it's just difficult to get your eyelash where you want it and where you want it to stay. And then for the other eye, exact same thing. Alright, and then to finish everything off, you do not have to do this at all. I just do this because I feel it keeps my eyelashes on better, and gosh, I wear eyelashes every single day. Okay, not every day, but every day I do makeup or like full glam like this. I'm wearing my eyelashes for like 12 hours. So just to like ensure that they're staying on, because nothing annoys me more than when you're halfway through your day and you don't have eyelash glue and they start like going wild, and I'm just like, oh my gosh, it's coming off, and I'm just like, for the rest of the day, I'm so annoyed. So I take my eyelash curler and what the, so I take my eyelash curler and I curl my eyelashes and my false lashes. Not like super hard, just gently, just to bind the two together. And it really makes your eyelash band like stick to your eyelash. And it won't, if you keep them on long enough, it won't rip out your eyelashes, because I know a lot of people are worried about that. And don't use too much glue, because if you use too much glue, that'll happen. So I know this was a super short video, but yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed.